One of the opportunities in tackling cervical cancer prevention and control in low and middle income countries is it can actually help to do a few other things that aren't necessarily obvious. One is to improve the health system for cancer control more broadly, because once you bring in to the mix the importance also of radiotherapy, of brachytherapy, of these treatments for invasive cervical cancer, because there will continue for many years to come be a need for treating invasive cervical cancer. These, of course, are technologies, resources, infrastructure, and training, including medical physics, etc., that are really important to address the cancer burden more broadly beyond cervical cancer. Another opportunity is that cervical cancer, being what many in global health call the low-hanging fruit of cancer control, because we have all these tools, we even have cost-effectiveness data and recommendations from the World Health Organization that are very clear to help advise countries, we can demonstrate what can be done with cancer more broadly in the poorer countries of the world. Until now, many countries were reluctant and quite understandably resistant, perhaps, to allocating any resources towards cancer, because it's usually thought of as an expensive disease to treat, impossible to prevent, and requiring of major vertical investments in infrastructure. So if you think of how long it takes to train a medical oncologist and how expensive it is to purchase a LINAC and a brachytherapy unit, you can see why countries might be put off by that.